Introduction. Accelerate your Spanish with Duolingo.
Duolingo is a popular language learning app that streamlines your Spanish journey with effective features and fun routines. In this guide, you'll discover a step-by-step workflow to help you learn Spanish efficiently, stay motivated, and get the most out of every practice session. Whether you're a beginner or refreshing your skills, these practical steps will guide your progress.
Step 1. Set up your learning goals and daily streaks.
Start by setting clear, achievable daily goals in the Duolingo app. Choose the Spanish course and commit to a streak goal, such as 15 or 30 minutes per day. Activating notifications and daily reminders helps you stay consistent. Tracking your streaks motivates you to practice regularly, a proven way to accelerate your language skills.
Step 2. Follow the Duolingo skill tree strategically.
Progress through the skill tree from top to bottom, focusing on mastering basics before moving to new topics. Don't rush. Repeat lessons with lower scores until you earn the gold badge for each skill. This reinforcement locks in vocabulary and grammar. Use the practice feature to review older material and avoid forgetting what you've learned.
Step 3. Use stories and audio lessons for better understanding.
Take advantage of Duolingo stories and audio lessons for real-world listening and reading practice. These interactive stories improve comprehension, while audio lessons train your ear and pronunciation. Mix these modules into your daily routine to boost confidence in conversation, not just in translation exercises.
Step 4. Join the community and track your progress.
Engage with Duolingo's community features like leaderboards and forums. Competing with friends or joining groups can make learning competitive and fun. Track your XP, experience points, and review your statistics for insights into strengths and weaknesses. Feedback from the community can help you stay motivated and resolve doubts quickly.
Conclusion. Stay consistent and celebrate milestones.
Learning Spanish fast on Duolingo depends on daily practice, strategic use of features, and a positive mindset. Celebrate milestones, like completing units or maintaining streaks, to stay inspired. Combine Duolingo with other Spanish media for balanced learning. By following these steps, you'll build a solid language foundation and achieve fluency faster.